great taste of salt and tuna.
Send the big one out. Big boy. I bet guys.
Go for him, man.
Come on, guys. Hey! All up.
Can't be both playing that.
I can see the cloud.
Calm down, man.
We've got David Evans, 10-year-old little lad here, with a stripy t-shirt.
Oh no! Little boy's been lost.
Why did they name first rather than what he was wearing?
They did.
But he's wearing church jumper.
Hey, man, you didn't even hear his name. You didn't know Curtis that we did. Not my fault. Never hit tell you over the silent.
That's his last one and he's worried not to respond.
All you know is somewhere we're causing a rabbit to kill. I thought we probably all the way up here, taller than you. I like how he looks early when I like that. You know it's not real, right? It's just on your screen. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's actually not on the jetpack.